So here's that same Holland leg I showed you earlier that's virtually brand new. Took a few taps on the shaft to get it to break free. But you can see, look at the water. And that cup with the drain hole that I shown you earlier in 101 is that drain hole is plugged. The water can't get out. So your thrust bearing, which is like the only thing that, other than the worm screw itself, is going to make the job easy to get your trailer lifted off your fifth wheel. You know, that just to take some weight off, right? As soon as you hear your air suspension, or you hear your suspension creaking if it's a conventional spring suspension, then that's enough, right? You always want load on your fifth wheel plate when you hook up your trailer anyways. So, I mean, just goes to show you. And this is, there's no doubt in my mind, a brand new leg. So, just goes to show you what the damage that grease does with dolly legs. You can see that the thrust bearing is sitting in a pool of water. You know, and that's the, you know, the main bearing surface, right? Other than the, look, the color of the grease, just saturated with rust, right? So, you know, just a confirmation for you on you know, what you should do for proper maintenance. And this applies to a lot of different things, like U-joints. You have to grease them every time the tractor's serviced. Any truck or car that's got greasable U-joints, service it, and always squeeze grease in until grease comes out all four caps equally. And it's to displace water. These things get hot, they're under load, and you know, you're driving in the rain and they're hot, and they'll suck moisture in, and you got to displace that bad grease, right? Always, you know, but in this case with dolly legs, grease is terrible. And I don't know why they ever recommended using grease in them. But anyways, that's it for now. So I guess this is dolly legs 102.